To day one of learning React Native. Before we start building apps, we need a tiny bit of JavaScript. Just three important concepts. Number one, const and let. We use const for values that don't change and use let for values that change. I'll show you an example like what happens and what is it. Const, we use it for values that won't change, like unchanged. I'll give the variable name as is equal to Abhishek. Okay, const changed is equal to Sarlaya. Okay, sorry, I'll make it as let. Okay, now I'll try to change the constant const. As you can see here, when it gets saved, you'll see a assignment to constant variable. That means to say assignment to constant variable is not allowed. Now I'll change the let changed to J Saralaya. Now if I print console.log unchanged, comma changed, you'll see, let me get saved. You'll see Abhishek J Saralaya is being printed. Okay. Now let's move to number two, that is arrow functions. I'll show you the example like const greet. Greet will be the name of the arrow function and name would be the variable or parameter which we'll pass in the arrow function, and this is the notation for arrow function, and whatever we write after this will be will be that will be the code snippet of the function called greet. So hello dollar, I'll tell you why I'm used backtick name. So it will return this greet. When we call, it will return hello with the parameter included. Okay, now I'll call the console log dot log. I'll write as greet. I'll call unchanged, that is const. I'll pass, and that should print hello Abhishek. Yes, are you able to see this? Hello Abhishek, it is being printed. So what do you mean by this one? That is what our third concept is, that is template strings. In Swift we used to write as hello slash name. Similarly, in JavaScript we can write this as plus name, that will get printed. But instead of that, we use backtick, where we can pass inside the string itself star dollar with curly brackets and the parameter name. Okay, that's it. A small lesson, but a big step forward. See you in day 2. Thank you.